How to change Cox Wi-Fi to 2.4 GHz. To switch your Cox Wi-Fi to 2.4 GHz without using the app, open a browser and go to either http:/192.168.0.1 or http:/10.0.0.1. Log in using the default username and password, usually admin and password unless you've changed them. Once you're in the router settings, look for the wireless settings section. Disable any option labeled band steering or smart connect, as this feature combines the 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz networks into one. After disabling it, rename your 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz networks with different names. Save your changes. Now you can go to your device's Wi-Fi settings and manually connect to the 2.4 GHz network. This is especially useful for smart devices that only support 2.4 GHz. So, basically, the summary is, to switch Cox Wi-Fi to 2.4 GHz, log into your router settings via browser, disable band steering or smart connect, rename the 2.4 GHz network, and manually connect your device to it. Like and subscribe if you find this helpful.